Hi everyone, welcome to my home gym. This is workout number 7 and we're targeting our chest, biceps, and back. This is 2 circuits with 3 exercises per circuit, 12 reps per exercise, and 4 sets per circuit. We'll be taking a 30-second rest between sets and I'll provide the timer. And keep in mind we are increasing in resistance or level with the completion of each set. We're targeting strength and mass here. This is the exact same workout as workout number 1, so the goal is to go at a higher elevation or more resistance compared to that first workout. So we have circuit number 1 with chest press, kneeling curls, kneeling rows, and circuit number 2, incline chest press, inverted curls, and reverse flies. And I'll put timestamps in the description so you can jump around to each exercise as needed. So this is circuit number 1, our first set with the chest press. And comparing this exercise to exercise number 1, I feel a little more strength and feel a little bit more comfortable on the glide board. So you want your back straight, engage your posture, and lean forward a bit. Try to find that angle to stretch out your chest. Jumping right into the kneeling curls, and keep in mind you can do this exercise sitting down as well. What's important about this exercise is extending fully backwards on the decline and pulling all the way to the top and squeezing at the top, focusing on the bicep. Here we have the kneeling rows. You want to keep a straight posture. You know, on top of working out your back, you're also working out your core as well. Alright everyone, I'll see you in circuit number 2.
What you got in that bag,
have the second circuit with the incline chest press. You want to lean forward and try to find that angle to stretch out your chest as well, and squeeze all the way up to the top. Here we have the inverted curls, and one of the benefits to this exercise is that your back is straight regardless, so it's very difficult to cheat. So make sure that you extend fully downward and squeeze all the way up to the top. Jumping into the reverse flies, and pace yourself with this exercise. Keep in mind that we are increasing in elevation or resistance with the completion of each set. Keep your form on this exercise. We'll see you at the end of circuit number 2. Alright everyone, that's the end of workout number 7. Let me know how it went in the comment section and I would appreciate any feedback. Hope this content helps. We'll see you on the next workout. Thanks, God bless.